Yo, my people, what's up? Type shit. I still remain your favorite, Daniel. So today I brought new edition for you, which I know you're gonna like it. So let's talk about the cost of living in Nigeria. So guys, if you see me looking at this place, I did a well detailed research about it. Do you get it? So I is on my note. So I have to be looking at my note a little, and be talking to you guys. So sorry for that. Inland and island. So the comparison, you understand? So we're talking about mainland and island. So now we'll be talking about mainland self-service community, why island full service community, right? That's what we're talking about. So let's talk about mainland particularly for now first. So there's a place called Ikeja. That's the most expensive, you know, in Lagos. That's the most expensive in Lagos. Do you get it? So let's talk about two to three family, right? So now, after the whole calculation, right? If you're single and you're coming down to Nigeria, you get it, right? So you have to slash the money to two, so you know how much you're gonna what spend annually. You get it? How much you're gonna spend monthly. You get it? So guys, let's talk about housing in Lagos, to precise Ikeja. So you're going to spend not less than 600 to 2 million. So it can easily go up for housing alone if you want to live large. Actually, there are people that have extravagant life. So you can still spend more than that, right? You can spend maybe from 500, 600 to 3,000 if you want to live that is extravagant life. Do you get it? But with this, you are comfortable $400 to $2,600 annually. You're comfortable. So let's talk about grocery on mainland, right? So you can spend no less than 250,000 naira to 300,000 naira, right? That's going to it depend on the market you go to, though, either the local market. But if you go to the local market, maybe you can spend, maybe, let's say, lower a little, but I think there's no difference. So you can still shop from the mall. Yeah, you can shop from the mall, because some people just go to the mall then shop their grocery there. So you can shop either the local market or the mall. So it depends. So you spend 250 to 300,000 naira. That's $160 to $200. Yeah, a month for a grocery. So now let's talk about nanny on mainland. Nanny, right? Childcare or caregiving. They call it that. So it depends, though. On mainland, you can spend nothing less than 60,000 to 100,000 a monthly, right? So, but it depends, right? It depends. If that person is educated, right, can spend beyond that. And if that person will be staying in your place, so I think the money can be, cut, because the person will be eating your food and other things. You understand? But if the person is going and coming, not staying in that house, right? So 60,000 naira to 100,000 naira monthly is not bad, right? It's not bad. But if that person is well learned, so I think you can increase it. It can be increased a little bit. That's roughly 40 to $75 a month. Let's go to transportation. Transportation is one of the biggest fear in Lagos. Yeah, transportation can eat all your money. And mind you, if you are going from here, right, you are going from here to the island, right, you spend more. But if you're not going, if maybe where you work is here on the mainland, so you might not spend more. But if from the mainland you're going to work on the island, then you're going to spend more. So if you're working on the mainland, right, let's just say 70,000 naira, right, to 100,000 naira. Yeah, you can spend. So it depends, though. You can still cut it. Either you jump on bus, you jump on that, you jump on and danfo, you jump on what they call it, bike. Do you get it? But some people, due to they're not familiar with all these things, they will want to call an Uber. Like, they don't like noise. Some people don't like noise. So they want to like hire an Uber. And if you are hiring an Uber to where you're going to, like the money or both, the money is very, very high. Is very, very high. So with 70 to 100,000 naira, right? You can use it for transport fare. That's 45 to $70 on mainland. On mainland. So while on mainland, internet monthly, right? You can spend roughly 15,000 naira to 20,000 naira. Yeah, depend on how you consume your data. So let's just put it 15 to 20,000 naira. So let's talk about water. Water is a little bit different. Yeah, if you're staying in a community, right? Water is different a little bit in mainland. So some people have borehole dug in their houses, in their house, right? Why some people hire people to fetch them water, you understand, or sachet water. Do you get it? So let's just put it, let's round it up 10,000 to 15,000 naira a month that you're going to spend for water monthly. Do you get it? That is $20. Yeah, $20. So security, if you are in an estate, right, you pay per month. Yeah, you just pay per month. Like you can pay roughly 3,000 to 5,000. It depends, though. Depend. But maybe if you're not in an estate and maybe you built your own house, that one you'll be paying your own security separately. But if you are in an estate, right, everybody have to pay to one source as roughly 3,000 to 5,000 naira as $5. Do you get it? Then what we call waste management. Yeah. Waste management, yeah, you can pay roughly 3,000 to 5,000 naira. Yeah, a month. Just 1 month. That is $3 to $5 a month. Yeah. So entertainment is not that expensive on mainland. Yeah, it's not that expensive on mainland. You can spend roughly 30 to 40,000 naira or 20 to 40,000 naira. It depends. It depends how like me, I don't go out though. So, but due to research or yeah, my research here, 20 to 40 naira is like okay for your entertainment. That's roughly $50. Yeah, because it's mainland. So your laundry every month, if you don't want to wash your clothes like the way I do, like the way I do wash my own clothes, yeah. So either you want to like hire that person for a month, it depends. So either you be budgeting 20 to 40,000 naira a month, that's $50. Yeah, $50. So if we should sum it up, like totally, if you want to live comfortably, yeah, your total cost will be like 700 thousand, 750,000 naira to 950K. Let's just say 500 to $600. Yeah, you live comfortably. Yeah.